If you think that you are private online, then Google wants to laugh at you. Right now, Google Web Activity is collecting everything you do, every search, every click, every move. And yes, Google says that your information is secured with them. Well, I'm not against that, but you can never know. Let me show you the settings you need to change on your Google Web Activity to stop giving them your entire life for free. Come with me. So once you have logged into your Gmail, find your profile icon. This is one of my Gmail accounts. Then you click on it. Then locate manage your Google account. So here we go. Now this is what is going to pop up. Now locate data and privacy. So this is what I'm talking about. You can see your data and privacy options, things you've done and the places you've been, all the places you've been to, especially when you turn on your location. You can be tracked by that information. Your search history can also be tracked as well. Whatever you are doing, most especially with Google applications, Google is saving those information. Now this is the info you can share with others. Then data from apps and services you use. So I'm talking about these three things. Firstly, things you've done and places you've been. So you click through. Now history settings, you can see your options for history, ads and personalization, what you've been doing on any Google application, the things you are searching, the things you are reading, the things you are watching. You can see web and app activity here. Mine is paused. You can see I stopped it because I don't want them to get that information. Well, it's not bad to some people, but I don't want to release this information to them. You can see it's paused. Let me click through and see what we have here. This includes your Chrome history, whatever you are doing on Chrome. Any site at all you are visiting through Chrome, the applications you are using, including your voice and audio activity, visual search history. You can see mine is turned off since August 9th, 2022 because I don't want to give them that information. I was having a conversation with someone who told me that Google Maps usually detects its routine for him. I told him this is where the issue is. Because you are sharing this information with them, with Google. We also have auto delete here, but I just turn it off. I don't want them to have that information. So let me go back. Still on the things you've done. This is my timeline now. Very similar to web and app activity. So it's paused as well. I don't want them to get that information. This helps you back in time and remember where you've been by automatically saving all your visit and routes to a map, your in-drive, your boats, and all of that. They are getting that information. Moreover, you may not be able to stop them from not getting all the information. So that's why the auto delete, I have to turn it on here. Maybe if I'm using like boats and I want to book a ride and something, so I still have to use it. So this is a list you can select at 3 months. Then after 3 months, they can delete the information. So that is for that. So still on these history settings. Now YouTube history. This is my YouTube history. I left it on because I go to YouTube to seek for quality information. So it's better that that is on. So as you can see, sub settings include the YouTube videos you watch, include your searches on YouTube, include YouTube voice and audio activity. So I need this information, so I left this to turn on. So you can turn it off if you want to, and the choice is yours, but mine is turned on. Now let's move to info you can share with others. What you want people to see on your Google profile. This is your info and who can see it. Location sharing. I'm not sharing my location with anyone. I don't want anyone to have my location. Even when I fill forms on Google, it is the location that I've selected for the browser. That is the location that will be shown. So it's always good to turn off your device location if you're not using it to do anything. This is my name, basic info. My name, you can see it visible to everyone. My profile picture as well, visible to everyone. My gender is only visible only to me. So I think I should even change this one to everyone. My birth month and dates is not visible to everyone. My Google contact info, my Gmail here is visible. My phone number is not visible as well. There's some other information here, your work and education, but for this, they are not visible. I think I should make them visible in the future. That is for this section. And now location sharing. I'm not sharing my location with anyone, so that is it. Now, data from apps and services you use. These are content and preferences related to Google services, and third-party apps and services, your YouTube, your Gmail, and so many other applications. Let's see the summary and see what we have here. These are recently used Google services. This is a YouTube that is linked, so I can decide to transfer the data, download it. You can see the YouTube history is on here. Whatever I'm doing here is saved. This is my Gmail, the inbox, the send, the draft, and everything. I can also decide to download it as well. This is the smartphone that is connected to this Gmail account. This is Blogger. Okay, I think I was doing some blogging around 2020, so the data is saved here. This is the Chrome I'm using, 15 bookmark, 234 password, and the calendar connected to it as well. My contact here, my Google Drive is saved. Google Play, my map. These are tags I saved. This is my payment profile. That is it. So third-party apps and services. Keep track of your connection with third-party apps and services. Bitly, Boats, your Canva. So if you are signing in with Google, so it's saving those information for you. Your data is your power. Stop giving it out like candy. Go and fix your web activity now. Kindly like, share, and comment. Subscribe if you are watching on YouTube. If you are watching on Facebook and other platforms, kindly follow as well.